as the smoke flies. On a hot and dusty January morning, poor little baby child is born in the ghetto. And his mama cries, 'cause if there's one thing that she don't need, it's another hungry mouth to feed in the ghetto. People, don't you understand? The child need a helping hand, or he grow to be an angry man someday. Take a look at you and me. Are we too blind to see? Do we simply turn our head, look the other way? Well, the world turns, and a hungry little boy with a runny nose plays in the street as a hot wind blows in the ghetto, and his hunger burns. So we start to roam the street at night, learn how to steal, and he learns how to fight in the ghetto. Then one night in desperation, the young man breaks away, buys a gun, steals a car, tries to run but he don't get so far. And his mama cries as a crowd get around a hungry young man face down on the street with a gun in his hand in the ghetto, as a young man dies. On a hot and cloudy January morning, another little baby child is born in the ghetto, and his mama cries, and his mama cries, and his mama cries in the ghetto.